In a small town, there was a little girl named Lily who loved to draw with her magical crayon. One day, Lily found that her crayon could bring her drawings to life. She drew a jungle and suddenly, she was in the middle of a wild adventure. Lily stood, her face lit up with uncontainable joy. Surrounded by a menagerie of friendly animals, Lily's eyes sparkled with wonder and happiness. She danced in the gentle breeze as she laughed and played, feeling completely at home in this magical, vibrant world. After her jungle adventure, Lily sat at her desk, her magical crayon in hand, thinking about what to draw next. Next, Lily drew the ocean and dived into an underwater world filled with colorful fish and friendly sea creatures. Before she knew it, Lily had drawn the ocean. With a big smile, she jumped into the water and was instantly surrounded by colorful fish and friendly sea creatures. She swam among them, feeling like she was in her own underwater paradise. Lily's final adventure took her to space, where she floated among the stars and planets. Lily's final adventure took her beyond the skies, into the vastness of space. With a few strokes of her magical crayon, she drew herself amidst the stars and planets. Lily floated weightlessly, surrounded by the twinkling stars and the beauty of the cosmos. Planets of all shapes and sizes orbited around her, each one more mesmerizing than the last. Lily returned home, eager to see where her magical crayon would take her next. Holding her crayon with a big smile,